Hello students, hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to start with the writing skills, and in the writing skills the first question is letter writing. Now letter writing are of two types, formal and informal. They can give you both questions, formal also and informal also, and there will be a choice. You all can choose any one and you all can attempt. So let's see. First let us see about the informal letter. Here you can see informal letter. Informal letter is also called as friendly letter or personal letter. So informal letter is also called as friendly or personal letter. Now you have to write the address. Now you all know students, earlier we used to write on the right side. Now according to the new paper pattern, the letter in the letter writing, the address and all the other things has to be written on the left side. So you have to write the address on the left side of the margin. I hope you all understood. The address has to be written on the left side of the margin. Then the date, okay, there will be date, and the salutation. Salutation means my dear mother, my dear friend, okay, dear mummy, dear papa, or dear whatever your friend's name, dear Disha, dear Rani, you can start the letter that way. Third is language used is casual and friendly. The language which you use in the informal letter can be casual or very informal. That means how you talk to your friends, or how you talk to your relatives, or to your uncle, aunt, or to your cousins, or to your friends, you can write in that language. Very informally you can write, or very personally you can write the letter. Now next is read the topic carefully and write the letter. In the question paper, a topic will be given to you all. You have to read the topic very carefully and then you have to write the letter. First understand the topic, what the topic is given about, and then start your letter. Okay. Next you all can see, write 2 or 3 paragraphs. In friendly letter or in informal letter, there is no limitation that you have to stick to only one paragraph. You can write 2 or 3 paragraphs because it is in a friendly manner, it is in a informal manner. You can write it in 2 or 3 paragraphs. For example, you can start like, how are you? I hope you are doing good. I hope you are well. From many days I didn't get the letter from you, so I am writing this from my side. So you can, like, in the starting paragraph you can write about the the whereabouts of your friend and whatever information you can write. Okay, and then you can start with the general topic of your letter, what is given. So you can write 2 or 3 paragraphs. Finish off with subscription like yours loving, yours affectionately. So when you end your letter, you can write your loving friend, or you can write yours affectionately. You can end your letter that way. Your loving friend, your loving daughter, your loving son, your loving cousin. That way you can end your letter. And even this subscription will be at the left side of your letter writing. So whatever you all write, now according to the new paper pattern, the address, the salutation, the subscription, everything will be on the left side. So I hope you all understood the this informal letter writing, and now we will do with the marking scheme. So let's see our marking scheme for the informal letter, students. A marking, I told you the letter writing carries 5 marks. So let's see how it is bifurcated or how it is given. Sender's address, pin code and date, it carries half marks. So in your letter writing, when you write the address, date and the pin code, it carries half marks. Next is the salutation. When you write the salutation, my dear friend, my dear cousin, my dear father or my dear mother, when you write that salutation, that carries again half marks. Next is body of the letter. As I told you, when you write the paragraph, when you write the paragraph in 2 or 3 paragraphs, that time you get 2.5 marks. So for body of the letter, 2.5 marks. Next is subscription. In the subscription you write yours loving, yours affectionately, yours loving friend. So for that you get half marks. So you can see it carries, the subscription carries half marks. And the last is the use of grammar. That is the paragraph which you have written. In that, the use of grammar, the sentence how you have formed, proper punctuation marks, proper formation of sentences, proper English, for that it carries 1 marks. So this is how your letter is carrying 5 marks, and how the marks is given for letter writing. So all these points you have to keep in your mind when you are writing the letter, if you want to score proper 5 marks. So keep these points in the mind, and you write, and you will be able to write a very good letter. So total you can see 5 marks. I hope students you all understood how you have to write the informal letter and how is the marking scheme for the informal letter. Thank you students.